Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly video on how to make a crochet braid. So guys, if you want to see how to make a crochet braid, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, for today we are going to need some attachment or braiding hair. Okay, the attachment I'm using is called expression. Okay, you can make use of any attachment or braiding hair you have. Okay, and I'm making use of it in the color 1. Okay, so guys, the next thing we are going to need is a comb, okay, a scissors, and some hair coilers. Okay guys, we are going to need also some hair coilers and a tissue paper. Okay, this is just normal tissue paper. You can make use of, or salvet, you can make use of any kind of tissue paper you have. Okay, so guys, having showed you guys what we are going to need in order to make a crochet braid, we are going to get started. But before then, I'm going to cut the attachments or braiding hair. Okay, I'm going to cut it and open it up and then show you guys how I'm going to cut it in order for us to make a crochet braid. Okay guys, so guys, this is the attachment. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these attachments now in the size in which I want my crochet hair to be. Okay, for example, do you want to make a 12 inches crochet hair? 10 inches, 8 inches, just like that. Okay, and now guys, I'm going to cut it and I'm going to show you guys how many I cut it. Okay, so guys, in case you want to know how I cut the length in which I cut mine, okay guys, I cut the attachment into 4 places. Like, okay, I initially cut it into half, then the one part of it, then I have to cut into 2. Okay, I'm going to cut it now into 2. Okay guys, so guys, for the full attachment I cut it into 4. Okay, I just made sure that the sizes to be equal and I cut into 4. So guys, this is it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to separate it as though you are trying to braid. Okay, just like this. Just need to separate the attachments. Okay, just like this. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So guys, now that I'm through with the kanekalon hair or braiding hair, okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of oil. Okay, a little bit of hair cream. Okay, and I'm just making use of coconut oil. Okay, you can make use of any hair cream you have. Okay, just need to apply a little bit and then comb the hair. Okay, to remove any knots. I'm just showing you guys how to prep your kanekalon hair for making crochet braids. Okay, and I hope this video is very much detailed for you all. Just going to take a small portion of the hair, just like this, of the kanekalon braiding hair coiler. Okay, because the surface of this hair coiler is rough. Okay, as you can see, using a tissue paper, I'm going to cut the tissue paper and then use it to cover the rough surface of the hair coiler. Okay, so guys, just like this. Okay, I'm going to use this to cover the rough surface of the hair coiler. Make sure that the crochet hair is equal. Okay, they are equal in size. Then you're going to place it just like this. Okay, onto the hair coiler and then you're going to start rolling, okay, or folding it onto the hair coiler. Also guys, when you are through, just secure it, okay. So guys, you can make use of any type of hair coilers you have, okay. In my next video, I'll be making a more tutorial on how to make a coily crochet hair using kanekalon braid, okay. But then I'm going to make use of some flexi rod and perm rods, okay guys. So guys, we are going to continue, okay, using a tissue paper. Cover the rough surface of the hair coiler, okay, so that it can be easy to work with. So guys, now you are going to roll the braiding hair onto the hair coiler, okay, in order to make the crochet braid. So guys, you're going to just trim out the ends. So guys, I'm just going to keep quiet and allow you guys see more on how to make crochet braids, okay. I'm just going to keep quiet and allow you guys watch, okay. Take a piece of kanekalon braiding hair, okay, on the size in which you want, okay guys. Then you're going to place it on the hair roller, okay guys, and then you will start rolling, okay. This is how to make your crochet braid using kanekalon hair, okay. So guys, we just need to trim out the ends, okay. Trim the ends and then secure it. When you are through with rolling the kanekalon braiding hair into the hair coilers, okay guys, then you're going to need a pail of any kind, a bucket of any kind, okay guys. Then you're just going to put the crochet braids into the pail. You're just going to put the crochet braid into the pail or bucket. Here we have some hot water, okay guys. You're going to pour some hot water onto the crochet braids, okay. So guys, now we are going to allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay. So guys, now I'm going to bring it, so guys, right now I'm going to bring it out from the hot water, okay. So guys, now I'm going to lose it, okay? So guys, this is what it looks like, okay? As you can see right now, this is what it looks like. I'm going to apply some hair oil, okay? I usually make use of coconut oil, okay? So guys, this is it, okay? I'm as well going to lose all of it, the whole of the hair. So guys, this is the crochet braids, okay? So guys, I will put in the link to some of the things I use in the description. Also, don't forget, if you want me to make some for you, don't forget to let me know by emailing me or by commenting, okay? Or you can also chat me on my Instagram page. So guys, this is the finished hair. Okay guys, as you can see, it's still very wet. It's still wet. Okay guys, I'm going to allow it to dry. And so guys, that is it for the end of this video. Don't forget to, and also I'll be making a tutorial on how to make a crochet wig, okay, using this crochet braid I made. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.